Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. In hydroboration, BH3 reacts with alkenes by sequentially adding across double bonds. Each BH3 molecule has 3 BH bonds, meaning it can react with 3 molecules of alkene, 1 alkene per BH bond, forming a trialkylborane, R3B. Reasoning. BH3 plus alkene RBH2, first addition, 1 BH bond used. RBH2 plus alkene R2BH, second addition, second BH bond used. R2BH plus alkene R3B, third addition, third BH bond used. Therefore, 1 mole of BH3 reacts with 3 moles of alkene. To react with 2 moles of 1 pentene, moles of BH3 is equal to 2/3 mole. Why other options fail? A. 2 mole. This would be the answer if BH3 reacted 1:1 with alkene, ignoring its trifunctional nature. B. 3 mole. This inverts the ratio, 3 moles BH3 per 1 mole alkene, which is incorrect. D. 3/2 mole. This assumes BH3 reacts with only 2 alkenes per molecule, dialkylborane scenario, which is not the standard hydroboration stoichiometry. The correct stoichiometry is 1 mole BH3 per 3 moles alkene, so for 2 moles of 1 pentene, 2/3 mole of BH3 is required. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.